Now we will talk about the Units section. To get there, click on Units on the left-hand side of the screen. In this section, you will find a number of units. Each unit is a collection of content on the specific topic the unit is about. Using the filters on the left, you can sort by a number of categories including festivals and holidays, programs, musicals, and many more. Let's take a look at what is in a unit. When you open a unit page, the first thing you will see at the top are some categorizations, including the unit category, any associated grades or holidays for the content, and an extra details button that has much more info on the unit. Below that, there is a brief overview of what is in the unit, and then a related song section with links to the song list for any songs used in the unit. Next, you'll see the extra resources, which will have any documents or links that are related to the entire unit. In the musicals, for example, this is where you will find the entire script. Lastly, we have the activities. This is where you will find the bulk of the content. Each activity will have a title at the top, and under that you will see any relevant audio tracks, then the videos for the activity. Under the videos are any printable resources related to the activity and concept slides, if applicable. At the very bottom of the activity, there will also be any relevant external links. If an activity does not have a type of content, that section won't appear in the activity.